Hi everyone, and welcome back to a brand new episode. In today's episode we are going to install window shades, which I've been looking for quite some time. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up, comment and subscribe, because that will help the channel tremendously. Okay, let's get started. So this window shade is 2 meters wide, and I believe it's 1.8 meters tall. Okay, get this thing open. So we chose the white one so that it matches the entire decor of the apartment, and I think it's actually looking pretty good. So the project is finally done. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as we have enjoyed producing it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, as we produce new videos every week. So stay tuned for more. Bye bye.